Hey beautiful people, today we're going to make some grape salad. Now you may be thinking, Victoria, what is grape salad? Well y'all, let me tell you. This is an easy sweet dessert if you're looking for something to take to a potluck or you want to bring something to work. It's easy peasy, quick, and you don't have to do much. Check out this recipe. I promise you y'all are going to love it. If you love grapes and all things sweet, you're going to love this recipe. So let's get to it. So first you want to add in some cream cheese, sour cream, white sugar, and brown sugar. And then we're going to combine all those ingredients. Sorry guys. Also add in your vanilla. You want to make sure you beat until it's creamy and smooth. Once that's finished, we're going to add in our grapes and we're going to gently fold them in the mixture. And we're also going to go ahead and add in some toffee bits. And what I'm doing here is I'm adding everything in layers. So go ahead and gently fold that mixture. And then you're going to repeat. Once you are finished combining all the ingredients and folding everything in, I sprinkled some more toffee bits, pecans, and brown sugar on top. And that's it, folks. Refrigerate until you're ready to serve. Trust me on this, if you never had grape salad before, I would not steer you wrong. If you like grapes and sweet deliciousness, you are going to love this recipe. So easy to make, so simple. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, be blessed.